welcome back to my channel Easy Maker. Today I am going to show you how to make black rice pudding. And before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And let's start the video now. First, we need the black rice. I have already soaked the black rice for 1 hour. And after that, we need some fresh milk. And after that, some powder milk powder, then some bay leaves and cardamom, and after that coconut powder and some fresh coconut, and after that some dry fruit, some dry nuts and brown sugar, and we have to mix the milk. Let's put the milk here in this container, and let's pour the soak water here, and after that let's put the bay leaf and cardamom, then let's put the brown sugar, then let's boil the milk. Let's turn on the heat, then let's wait. Now milk is already boiled, and let's lower the heat, and after that let's put the black rice, into the boiled milk, then let's mix it. Let's mix together, and after that let's put the powder milk. Here is the powder milk, then let's mix it well. Now let's put the fresh coconut, and after that let's mix it together, and let's boil for 30 minutes. Now it's already 30 minutes and the rice pudding is already cooked, and let's put the coconut powder and dry nuts, let's put the dry nuts, and let's give a little bit for a topping, then let's mix it well, and after that let's scoop out. Now your black rice pudding is ready, and I will give a try. Let's taste it. It's very tasty, and the coconut powder especially, it gives more flavor, and I hope you like my video. And this is how I make the black rice pudding. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.